UFOs, UFOs. Over here by Westway, those lights, there was 4 in a square, and then it turned into a line, and one disappeared. And they're not flares, guys, because look, there's one that reappeared. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Mike, concentrate on the street. Concentrate on the street.
Hey, drop slower. Chase them. Swear. Cauco! Dale,
Yeah, and your insurance will just skyrocket.
That film festival had the smoke and now they
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I've been looking for this sandstone temple now. This is the 3rd attempt, and we finally found it. I'll show you the entrance.
Aí a cabeceira da ponte, o rio tomou conta de tudo, cara. Tomou conta de tudo. Beira-rio, ó.
Foi fechado aqui a via aqui, ao lado do... Well, I don't know what this is. Something going on after this guy.
No, que está moviendo la línea, ¿lo ves?
Sí. Sí, se está moviendo. Bueno.
¿Qué es lo que es? ¿Qué es lo que es?
Nosotros nos da la sensación de que se está moviendo. Pero...
No, se está moviendo, no son las nubes, se está moviendo.
No, la línea que se está moviendo, sí. Pero date cuenta que no llega a la otra blanca.
Oh, la va a pasar, pero qué cosa más rara.
Por eso, a ver si la pasa, pero mira, ahora Mira, hace para una niñita.
Eso no lo he visto yo en la vida aún.
Mira. Ya está llegando. No, viste. Qué cosa que es.
Strange creature was seen in the lake. Check this video out.
What the heck?
What is that?
I have no clue. What? No, what?
You see that?
Yes! What the heck? I'm filming that.
Me too. Are you zoomed in as far as you can?
Yeah.
Me too.
Dad, look at that.
It was said that this creature was extinct around millions of years ago, and this creature was also observed by the people living nearby to the lake.
Okay. They're all going over there too. Check that out.
Wow, they're videotaping it as well, hey? Yeah, look at that.
What the heck?
Dude, what is that?
This next video reminds me how many creatures are there that never have been discovered. Leave a comment. Have you seen anything like this before?
¿Te imaginas? Y nos empieza a parpadear con signos así como... Me estoy guiando.
On January 2020, this mysterious object is seen in the sky of Chile.
Mira, no sé. Es redondo. Y mira, se ve como con luz. Eso no es una estrella. ¿Mucho más? Mira, espérate. Esa weá no... Esa weá... ¿Viste que creció?
With nowhere to stay and no money.
Which city?
And
In California?
Bits of it was in Baltimore. Pieces of it was in Marin City. And then the rest came in
This interview was recorded in 1995, and you can see in the background there is something unidentified in the sky, and we don't have drones at that particular time. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think it is.
jina la Yesu toka, hata kama umetumwa na nani, mali sababu nyinyi wa nini, mali sababu alokasi, toka kwenda kabisa, mali sababu alokasi, I command you now. Pescado por todos lados. Mira, mira, mira. Mira.
Created a camera that photographs transparent objects and phenomena at a rate of 1 trillion frames per second. The university reports the camera technology, which is called phase-sensitive compressed ultra-fast photography, can take video not just of transparent objects but also of more ephemeral things like
This is the Atlantic City beach. You can see all this. They did beach replenishment here a couple years ago. Now it's all being washed away.